What's up guys, and welcome back to B4Crypto. In today's video we're going to look at Bitcoin, and yes guys, this is an emergency update because definitely today it went only up for Bitcoin and the whole crypto market. Guys, we're going to look at the whole crypto market, and we're going to look at Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we're going to find out what are the next levels that we could reach. And guys, we saw the pump in the crypto market, and that's why it's very important, if you're watching this video for the very first time, smash up the like button and subscribe. Guys, let us see our all-time high for the likes. And now let's directly start with today's content. And guys, we're going to start on the daily chart for Bitcoin, and as you guys can see that we had a major pump today. We went from the levels from around about 19,255 all the way up to a level of 20,380. And guys, this is a major pump. So guys, first of all, we have to go on the daily chart, and we have to find out where we could face the next resistance. And clearly guys, the levels of the 20,500 US dollars would be our next resistance levels. So I could imagine that we're going to reach these levels, and then we're going to consolidate before we're going to see the next move up. Or maybe we're just seeing this major fake out, and then we could see that the price of Bitcoin will come all the way back down to the levels of 19,800 US dollars. But guys, let's go on the 4-hour chart to find out where the next resistance points are. But guys, first we're going to look at the DXY, because today we saw that the DXY broke this major important trend line, this parabolic trend line. I told you at the beginning of the month that I expect a lower high for the DXY, and that I would expect that we're going to reach the price target of 108. So guys, at the moment it looks quite good for the DXY, that we're going to see a consolidation in these areas and then a breakdown towards the downside. And because the DXY is going down, we are seeing that the crypto market and all the risk on assets are going up. Over on the crypto bubbles, and if you're interested in the crypto bubbles, go over to cryptobubbles.net. You can see that the whole crypto market is seeing a massive pump. We could see that Ethereum went up 11% and also Solana, and Cardano went up 13.2%. And that is quite good for the crypto market. So at the moment we are seeing this massive breakout in the crypto market, and that's because the DXY is going down. So guys, now let's go over to the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin, and as you guys can see on the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin that we went from the levels of 19,300 US dollars all the way up to the levels of 20,400 US dollars. And guys, at the moment we are seeing a little bit of resistance in these areas, and if we zoom out and look to the left, then we can see that exactly here we got a lot of resistance in these areas, exactly here. So we are going to draw a resistance box exactly in these areas, so that we can see where our support and resistance would be. So guys, at the moment we can see that in these levels from round about 20,300 US dollars to round about 20,500 US dollars, we are going to see a lot of resistance for Bitcoin. So it really could be that we're going to consolidate within these areas until we're going to see the next move up. And guys, we're going to zoom out and we're going to find out where would be the next price target if we're going to break out from these levels of 20,500 US dollars. And if we take it from the top all the way to the bottom from this potential W, because guys, we were talking about this in this previous video, that I could expect that we're going to break out from this W. And I told you in the previous video that Bitcoin is about to explode. So guys, exactly that happened. So if you liked it, go down, smash up the like button, and definitely subscribe to my channel. So guys, now we're going to look at the next price target that we could reach. And if we're going to break out from this W, you can see that exactly here at the levels of 22,800 US dollars, where we also have this high resistance area, we could see our next price target if the price of Bitcoin will consolidate in these areas and will gear up for the next move up. So guys, I expect that we're going to see a consolidation, maybe also all the way down to the levels of 19,800 US dollars to round about 20,000 US dollars, so that we're going to form this kind of flag until we're going to see the next move up, and then eventually break the 21,000 US dollar level until we're going to reach our price target. Because guys, at the moment it looks quite bullish for Bitcoin, and I think that we're going to start with the next cycle. So guys, if you don't own any cryptocurrencies, go down in the video description below and sign up with my BitGet link to receive a major deposit bonus. And if you want to trade cryptocurrencies on the leverage market, go down and use this link. Make use of this free money. And guys, we're going to go over on the 15-minute chart of Bitcoin, and we're going to find out what the price movement is doing at the moment. So guys, on the 15-minute chart exactly here, where we have drawn this major resistance box, we can see that Bitcoin is trying to break these levels, but at the moment we can see that here is a lot of resistance. So guys, maybe we're going to see a small retracement and then consolidate within these areas and gear up for the next breakout. I really do believe that we're going to see a next move up. And guys, it is very important that we are seeing this consolidation to really be prepared for the next move up. Because guys, nothing can go up in a straight line, and that's why it would be really important that we're going to see this consolidation in these areas. But guys, we do not want to break the 20,000 US dollar level. We want to hold this level as strong support. And guys, you can see that exactly this resistance box that we drew in yesterday is exactly here at the level of 20,000 US dollars. So this could be a good support for Bitcoin for the next few days. So guys, now let's go over to Ethereum. But guys, if you like this content so far, really support me with my channel and smash up the like button and subscribe if you're new to this channel. And guys, for Ethereum, we can see that we finally reached this downward sloping trend line that we have been talking about yesterday in the previous video. And guys, exactly, we broke this trend line towards the upside. And at the moment, we are also facing some resistance for Ethereum. And exactly in these levels, we can see that Ethereum is having some problems breaking through. Maybe we're going to see this bullish consolidation and maybe this confirmed breakout from this bigger symmetrical triangle. Because guys, in the previous video, we have seen where our price target would be if we're going to break out from this major symmetrical triangle. And guys, we broke out exactly today. Maybe in the next few weeks, we could reach these price targets with a major pump towards the upside. This would really be bullish for the whole crypto market. So guys, that's why it's really important to be for crypto. And guys, smash up the like button and subscribe, and we see each other in the next video.